Queste vasi.
Hi, Nick. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I come from way up north. 25 years ago, my stepdaughter moved down here. She's been trying to get me to come down here to sing ever since, so finally making good on that opportunity. So thank you. You're alone. You're alone again. Does it feel funny? No one calling you and asking you, hey, what you wanna do? You'll have to go and do it on your own. You're alone. You're alone again. Alone again. You don't need friends to get you through. Well, there is nothing that they can do for you. You are like a rock, you're made of stone. You're alone. You're alone again. Alone again. One day you're gonna be lonely, and you'll wish that you could see him face to face. But don't you worry if you better be lonely, 'cause everybody's gotta have his place. You're alone. You're alone again. Alone again. Does it feel funny, no one calling you and asking you, hey, what you gonna do? You have to go and do it on your own. You're alone. You're alone again. Alone.